Jai Srimanarayana, 34th sloka of first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Acharyaha pitaraha putraha tadhaiva cha pitamahaha matulaha svesuraha pautraha syalaha sambandhinaha tadha. Om. Do not give up your duty, taking an excuse, showing a momentary compassion to those people who are working, fighting for wrong thing. Sri Krishna Paramatma also gives a final message to the entire humanity, asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, "Oh Paramatma, I shall not give up my duty." Under the excuse of showing a momentary compassion to those people who are working and fighting for wrong side. "Oh Sriman I shall surrender to you alone." "Oh Sriman Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, when Bali Chakravarti said to his Acharya Sukracharya that I cannot take my word back what I gave it to Vamana, then after listening to that, Sukracharya Sesapa Daiva Prahitaha Satyasandham Manasvinam, he cursed Bali Chakravarti, saying like this, "O Bali, Drudham Panditamanyagnaha, you are thinking that you are such a great scholar, learned person, and you are filled up with so much of ignorance and arrogance. You are rejecting my orders. That is why you are going to be losing entire of your Aishwaryam, prosperity and property." Then even after Sukracharya cursed, Nachalitaha Mahan, Bali Chakravarti did not even shake. Immediately, according to Shastra, Bali Chakravarti wanted to give the land, whatever that he gave a word to Vamana, he wanted to give that land along with water, Udaka Purvaka Danam. Then his wife Vindhyavali brought a beautiful golden kalasam and filled up with water. Yajamanaः swayam tasya srimat padayugam muda. Then with so much of happiness, Bali Chakravarti washed the feet of Vamana and then sprinkled that pada jalam upon his head. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter, 34th sloka. Acharyaha pitaraha putraha tadhaiva cha pitamahaha matulaha svesuraha pautraha syalaha sambandhinastadha. Acharyah pitarah putrah tadhaiva cha pitamahaha matulah svesurah pautrah syalah sambandhinastadha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.